Hey everyone, welcome to this fun tutorial. Today we're controlling an RGB LED with Arduino using simple digital signals. No fancy dimming, just on and off. We'll test it in the Wokwi simulator first, then build it for real. By then, you'll see how to make cool colors like red, yellow, and purple. Let's get started. I'm using Wokwi, a free and awesome simulator. Let's set it up. I'll add an Arduino Uno and an RGB LED and some resistors. Pick the RGB LED from the components and connect it like this. And the common pin to GND, since means common cathode. Red to pin 11, green to pin 12, blue to pin 13, and put the resistor between the pin. Now the code. With digital write, it's either high for on or low for off. Let's cycle through some colors. Click run and watch it go. Red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, magenta, and white. With digital pins, we're just mixing on and off state to create these colors. Time to build. Here's my RGB LED common cathode. So the longest pin goes to GND. I'll use pin 11, 12, and 13 with 20-100 ohm resistor for red, green, and blue. Red leg to pin 11 through a resistor, green to pin 12, blue to pin 13, and the common to GND. Done. plug in the Arduino, open the IDE, and upload the same code. Look at that. Red, green, blue, and more. If a color missing, check your wiring or LED type. Super simple, right? That's it. You've mastered an RGB LED with basic digital control. Try rearranging the delays and colors. What's your favorite combo? Tell me in the comments. Next time we'll add a button to switch colors. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.